I will always remember dashing from morning to morning through the summer rain, your hand in mine, laughing and giggling at the weatherman's prediction of sunshine and clear skies. Summer thunderstorms pass quickly, while in autumn they linger, dark and dreary and fearful. I remember your smile in sunshine and rain. I remember your laughter in every quiet refrain. I learned of your passing in fire and pain. Your candle burned brighter than many a saint. Half a century has passed since that rainy day. I feel that shadow creeping my way, and I wonder again why I'm here and you're gone. So today I sat down to write you a song. Sunshine and rain. I remember your laughter and every quiet refrain. I learned of your passing in fire and pain. Your candle burned brighter than many a saint.